Hello everybody and welcome back to another airport update. In today's airport update we have Kahalui, Maui Airport. This has a couple new models. I did put as much airplanes as I could pretty much possibly fit in this airport update just because this is the final airport update for Kahalui. If Honolulu does not get finished by the next airport update, there will be another Kahalui replacing it. But for now, this is the last scheduled one. So starting off with this WestJet 767, just getting ready to take off for Vancouver. Second in line for takeoff, we have a American 757. This aircraft will be heading out to Phoenix. Third in line for departure, we have a Alaska 737-900. This particular aircraft is in the Honoring Those Who Served livery, which is a fantastic livery, and will be doing non-stop service out to San Diego, California. Fourth in line for departure, we have a Delta 757-300. This aircraft is departing out to Seattle. Next, at the Southwest hard stands, the first one, the one closest to us, a Southwest 737-800. This aircraft will be departing out to Kona as one of their inter-island services they announced not that long ago. The next one will be heading out to San Jose. Now, it's very hard to get to the other side of the terminal as that's where my bed is, but here we have a Hawaiian A330. This would pull into the gate normally, but they wouldn't be able to put a 717 next to it. As you can see, there's an empty gate. But this aircraft will be heading out to Seattle. Here we have two Hawaiian 717, The one in the new livery, which is the one closest to us, will be departing out to Lihue. And then the one furthest away from us, oops, my bad, will be heading out to Honolulu. Convenient enough, that's my next airport, so I guess it's going into the future to our next airport, but, you know, I guess that's how it works now. Next, we have a Alaska 737-900. This aircraft is in the Honoring Those Who Served livery and will be heading out to PDX or Portland, Oregon Airport, whatever you want to call it. Next, we have a Hawaiian A321neo. This aircraft will be heading out to Oakland, California. Next, we have another Hawaiian A321neo. This is a new model as well, and will be heading out to San Diego, California. Those California routes are very popular, which is kind of weird because they both have ocean. Like, I'd be very grateful just to go to California every day, but, you know, I guess people don't like California either. Next, we have a model that you have not seen in this airport update. It is a United 737-900. This aircraft is in the Continental Retro livery. Gorgeous model if you can get your hands on it. It is pretty rare, but it'll be doing non-stop service out to San Francisco. Next, we have another new model. This is a Hawaiian Airbus A330 in the new livery and will be departing out to Los Angeles. Finally, for this airport update, we have a American 777-300. This will be doing a long flight all the way out to Dallas-Fort Worth. Normally operated on the 777-200, but because I do not have that model, it'll be operating on a 300 today. So yeah. I would like to thank all of you guys for watching. It has been kind of a sad day because I will miss this airport update tons, but it's only moving 100 miles away for the next airport which will be Honolulu. Pretty much every single plane you see right now will also be in Honolulu. It is going very well. As a matter of fact, some of the terminals you have seen in here will be for Honolulu also. I'm very excited. It is coming along, kind of. I mean, I got some of it done, but I can't paint because of the snow in Denver. It has snowed recently, so I can't go outside and paint quite yet. But I will get to that as soon as possible. and I'll get that airport update out to you guys as soon as I can paint it. And I have it all laid out and ready to paint, but I just can't paint it quite yet. I will say I am going to miss this airport update. I am sad to say that this will most likely be the last one. I can't guarantee it though, because I don't know how long Honolulu's going to take. I can't even guarantee Denver will be next Friday. It is supposed to be, but I have all the models from the collection airport update, or the collection video, which if you haven't seen, I highly recommend you go check it out. It is a sad day. This airport will be missed by a lot of people, but I also think Honolulu will be a great change and addition to the channel. I also have a new board. It's called MDF. I will be remaking all my airports into MDF board because I really think it's a nice smooth surface. Because this one, it's, I don't know, it's like kind of bumpy, I guess. Yeah. But anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for your continual support as always, and especially on these videos. They also get a lot of views. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.